Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, the upcoming flagship smartphone from Samsung, may see a downgrade in the capabilities of its S Pen stylus. According to reliable industry sources, Samsung is considering limiting the S Pen's functionality to basic note-taking and drawing features. Now, if this is true, this is a huge downgrade in terms of S Pen capabilities. This change would mean the loss of features such as gesture controls and the ability to remotely control phone functions. Additionally, if this is true, this also means there will be two S Pens. Let me explain what that means. Let's dive in. This is not good. Now, before we dive in, as you know, Samsung is running a $5,000 giveaway as part of their S25 launch. So make sure to click the link down below and you're going to be at this page and you can see chance to win $5,000, $50 in Samsung credit, and $1,250 in additional savings. Only 11 days left to enter the giveaway and reserve the S25. Okay, so scroll down, put your first name, last name, email. By the way, all this is 100% free, no obligation to buy. And then check this box right here to confirm that you want to enter the giveaway for $5,000. Answer these two questions, which I just did. This button is going to go blue. Just tap on reserve now and you're good to go. That's it. Free and simple. Let's move on. All right, so back to the S Pen. According to Ishan from Twitter, he says, exclusive. S Pen on the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra will no longer feature Bluetooth according to retail sources, which means you will lose certain features like gestures and remote control. How do you feel about this downgrade? So if the S Pen does lose the Bluetooth functionality, users would lose access to popular features like Air Actions, which allow you to control your phone with gestures and the ability to use the S Pen as a remote shutter for the camera. Now, these capabilities have become the defining aspects of the S Pen experience, especially for those who rely on their devices for professional tasks and creative projects. For example, with the S Pen remote function, I can easily present a PowerPoint presentation or a series of photos using my S Pen as a remote control. As you can see, I can even pause, play music, all with my S Pen. And if this rumor is true, this is gone. A non-Bluetooth S Pen could still retain its core functionality as a precise and responsive tool for writing, drawing, annotation, and all that stuff. For people that use S Pen for those purposes, this might not be a big deal, but a downgrade is a downgrade, and it's not good. Now, if the built-in S Pen does lose the Bluetooth functions, then it is almost certain that a secondary Pro S Pen will be available for sale as an accessory. We already have this for the Fold 6, Fold 5, for example. You can buy an S Pen Pro, which does all the core functions of the S Pen, plus provides the Bluetooth function. So that is going to be an option if this rumor is true. But that is what we have right now. Now, as of now, obviously, Samsung has not confirmed the removal of the Bluetooth from the S Pen, so it is essential to take these reports with a grain of salt. But do drop a comment below and let me know how you feel about this rumor if it is true. And again, don't forget to reserve the S25 Ultra for a chance to win $5,000 or get $50 in Samsung credit. The links for that is going to be down below. All right, guys, any questions, comments, or concerns? Drop them down below. Let me know. For now, have a fantastic day.